Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about the change of base rule for logarithms. So let's say we have this logarithm, log base b of a. We can rewrite this as log base c, just any other number, log base c of a divided by log base c of b. So this is the change of base rule, and this will make more sense with an example. Let's say we had a logarithm log base 2 of 14. So log base 2 of 14, we could evaluate it in our calculator, or we could also go ahead and rewrite it as log base, let's pick a number greater than 1, let's pick 4. So log base 4 of 14 over log base 4 of 2. So if you had a calculator and you evaluated log base 2 of 14, it's the same as evaluating this one on the right-hand side, log base 4 of 14 divided by log base 4 of 2. And oftentimes this is useful for calculators that only have a common or natural log function. So this also works for log base 10. So log base 10, as long as both bases are the same, they work for any number. So this could be rewritten as log base 10 of 14 divided by log base 10 of 2. And then if it's a common logarithm, if it's a log base 10, then you don't have to write the 10. And this also works for natural logarithms. So we can also rewrite this as ln of 14 over ln of 2. So ln of 14 over ln of 2. And we know that ln, of course, is the natural logarithm, log base e. So if you have a calculator where you can't enter the base of a logarithm, so if you only have common logs or ln's, then you can use this trick to evaluate any logarithm. So if you have one of those types of calculators and you wanted to evaluate log base 2 of 14, you could just write ln of 14 divided by ln of 2, and you would get approximately 3.807. So that's the change of base rule for logarithms. It's a way to rewrite logarithms with a different base. So you see right here, we went from having a base 2 to a base e, a natural log. So you can choose any base you want, and this will allow you to rewrite any logarithm with a different base of your choice. So I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions at all, please leave them down in the comments below, and thank you for watching.